The site is situated north of Auckland. It's in a place called Whangaparāoa. It's very much an oasis, not too far away, where a lot of people like to enjoy escaping Auckland's hustle and bustle. The home had sentimental values, and over 40 years of coming here, they wanted to keep it. So the renovation was based on keeping that original sentimental value. So the brief was to modernise it, make it fit into a beach environment, tone on tone. The palettes are all of the same hue.
As you enter the house, on one wall we've got Abodo cladding, then the other wall we've got some limestone. That limestone cladding goes along the outside of the wall and then sort of wraps seamlessly through the front door and into various areas of the house. And Abodo vertical cladding, the bleached look does give it a really good beach type of feel. The outdoor area that we've got is an area that they can use every day of the year. So what we have is a retractable louver roof on top of it that can tilt and then open so it's clear space. When you're sitting out there, you can really feel like you're outside. We've got a bifolding screen that matches in with the outdoor rain screen, and so when they're in the closed position they give a lot of privacy from outside. There's a main beach there, and summertime there's lots of people walking on that beach, so they give it a real element of privacy inside, but you can still see quite a bit outside.
What I like about this project is the simplicity. Everything is clean and white and beautiful, but reflects the colour of the beach.